Imagine finding a brand new crypto token everyone is talking about. The price is exploding. People are posting insane profits. You invest, and everything looks perfect until it suddenly goes to zero. Welcome to Blockboard, the channel where we make complex tech simple. Today, let's uncover what a rug pull in crypto really is. A rug pull happens when the creators of a crypto project suddenly take investors' money and disappear. The project looks real, promising, and profitable, until the developers pull the rug out from under everyone. How do rug pulls actually work? Method 1. Liquidity removal. Most rug pulls happen through liquidity pools. To trade a token, developers must add liquidity, usually pairing their token with ETH or BNB. When enough people invest, the developers secretly remove that liquidity. Suddenly, nobody can buy or sell, and the price collapses. Method 2. Massive token. Sell-off. Another method is simple dumping. Developers create a token, hype it up, and keep a huge supply for themselves. Once the price is high enough, they sell everything, crashing the price instantly. Method 3. Sell restrictions. Some rug pulls are even sneakier. The code allows users to buy, but not sell. Only the developer can sell, keeping the price rising until they exit at the top. How to spot a rug pull. Red flag 1, liquidity not locked. If liquidity isn't locked, developers can remove it any time. Locked liquidity doesn't guarantee safety, but unlocked liquidity is a huge warning sign. Red flag 2, few wallets hold most tokens. If a few wallets control a large share of the supply, the price can crash instantly if they sell. Red flag 3, token burns. That hide whales. Burning tokens can be used to hide large holders. It may look decentralized, but whales still control most of the supply. Why rug pulls are hard to stop. Rug pulls thrive because crypto is largely anonymous and lightly regulated. In many cases, there's no real identity and no legal consequences. Rug pulls are one of the biggest risks in crypto, but knowledge is your best protection. If something looks too good to be true, it usually is. That's all for today's breakdown. If this helped you understand how crypto really works, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more crypto insights right here on Blockboard.